Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You have an image and want answers now. First, pick the clearest file. Once done, open your chosen reverse image tool. If on desktop, drag and drop or click the camera icon to upload. On mobile, tap the app camera or share the photo to the browser. Make sure you allow permissions for camera or files. Start the search. This begins visual matching, metadata reading, and similarity ranking. This step sets the quality of results, so choose the best source and upload method carefully. Once results appear, inspect the top matches for identical images and near duplicates. These show how widely the image circulates. Make sure to open the hosting pages to read surrounding context and captions, because text often reveals origin or purpose. If you need precision, apply filters. Limit by image size to find originals, pick a time range to trace history, or search within a domain to verify source credibility. This analysis helps differentiate original content from reposts or manipulated copies. To finish, verify the most likely origin by choosing the earliest, reputable source and corroborating details on that page. If results are ambiguous, crop the image to focus on distinctive elements or retry with a different reverse search engine to compare matches. Make sure to preserve URLs and screenshots for documentation. If things go wrong, no useful matches. Clear cache, retry with higher resolution or different crops, or use offline analysis tools to avoid accidental cloud uploads and protect privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.